kit review is of the Thunderbirds. It's a 6 model set, and it's in 1/44 scale, so they're pretty small, and all 6 of them come together in the same kit. It's by MiniCraft, and I don't see any other pictures. There's a picture of the finished model. Looks like it's going to be very small, not very detailed. Some details about the Thunderbirds. Let's have a look inside. So here we have some details about the planes and about the team. And it looks like we have 6 matching sets. So let's open up one of them and have a look. First of all, here's our glass, and it's not very well molded, but it is very small, so that's probably why. Here's the top part of the fuselage and wing. So our tail wings is also molded in here. We have the lower part of our fuselage. We do have a few engraved panel lines, which is interesting. And then we have our wheels. Here we have some fuel tanks, the ventral strakes, and tail missiles if you want them, and our air intake. We have our decals, which are very nice, and they all have their own different numbers. And let's have a look at our instructions. So very simple looking. If you want to have them flying or on the ground or landing. And here's our decal guide. So not a lot of detail, but they're small, and got some nice decals.